Greetings students. In last class we have seen till question number 10 in exercise 9a. Today we'll start with question number 11. Write in ascending order. You have seen that here the question is given in decimal form 5.8, 5.08, 5.81, 5.801, 5.081. We need to arrange it in ascending order, that means smallest to biggest, right? As I already told you in 10th sum, how we will compare which one is greater, which one is smaller in decimal form. We need to check the integral part first, then later on we will check with the decimal part, right? So before that what we'll do, we need to convert into like decimals. Like if the number of digits in the decimal part should be same. So similarly here also in this question, first step we need to do, we have to convert into like decimals. Okay, so see here 5.8, here in the decimal part one digit is there, here two digits, here two digits in the decimal part, here three digits in the decimal part. So the maximum number of digits is 3, right? So these numbers also you have to convert into like decimals. So you need to add 0 at the end for making it 3 digits in the decimal part. So 5.800, here 5.080, here 5.810, then here already 3 digits are there, so you can write like this. So next you are going to compare which one is the smallest one. In that way you are going to arrange it, right? So here you see all the integral parts are same, 5.5.555, right? So we'll move on to the decimal part. When we'll check with the decimal part, here you can start in the 1/10th form, right? From the leftmost. So here 8 is there, 0, 8, 8, 0. So 0, two numbers are there, so you have to compare now these two things. So when you'll move on to the second leftmost, here 0, 8, here 0, 8, same. So we'll move on to the third. So 0, 1, right? So 0 is lesser than 1, so this will be the first number, first 5.08. It is the smallest one. Then 5.081. Now these two is over. From remaining 3, check with the decimal part. Leftmost is same, 888. Then 0, 1, 0, right? So 0, 0, 2 numbers are there, so you have to check with the third one, 0 and 1, third digit. Okay, so 5.800, that means 5.8 is the third one, then 5.801 is the fourth one, then remaining 5.810 is the largest one when you will compare all those things. Okay, so in that way we need to write it. So when we move on to second question, here also you can see 21.2, 20.21, 212.01, 20.10, 20, 20.201. First step, you have to convert into like decimal. That means the number of digits in the decimal part should be same. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is the maximum number of digits given in this question. So you have to make it all the other terms in with 4 digits in the decimal part. Okay, so 21.2, 0, 0, 0, 20.21, 0, 0, 212.01, 0, 0, 20.1020, 20.2010. Okay, so here also you can see first thing, all the integral part you check here, 21, 20, 212, 20, 20, right? So among these 20 is the smallest one, so but 3 terms are given, right? So in that you check with the decimal part from this 3. So here 2 is there in decimal part, and then 1, 2. So this will be the smallest one, so 20.1020. Then compare these two and find the smallest one, 2100, 2010. So this will be the second smallest one and third smallest one. Then here 21.200, here 212. When you will compare 21 and 212, the number of digits or more in the integral part means that will be the biggest one. If it is small, that will be the lesser one. So 21.200, it will come as a fourth. Then at last 212.0100 will be the biggest one. Okay, so when you will take it and write an answer, you can just write how it is in the question, given in the question, same thing you can write. You no need to give the answer in the like decimals. Okay, so you can take your answer from the question. So similarly students, arrange in descending order, question number 12. So same thing here also we have to do it. Only the thing is, here you need to write the answer from biggest to smallest one. So here also same thing, convert to like decimals. So number of digits is 4 is there in decimal part, so add 0 here, add 2 zeros here. So now it will become like all the integral part are same. So check with the decimal part, leftmost 0080. So 8 is the biggest one, so 0.89 that will come first. Then second leftmost 9098, right? So 99, this one already we have finished, so 0.090. Then compare these two, 890899, then 009, right? So 8 and 0899 will be the biggest one. Then after that 0.0097. Okay, so one more question is there, 14.335, 0.1435, 143.35, 1.4335, 143.5. Same thing here also. First step, convert into like decimals. 4 digits are present in the decimal part, so convert all of them into 4 digits. 3350, 0.1435, 143.3500, 1.4335, 143.5000. So now first thing, check the integral parts. 14 0 143 1 143. So among 143, 2 terms are there, so you have to check with the decimal part. Then here 3 leftmost, here 5, so 143.5 is the biggest one. Then this one will be the biggest one, 143.35. Then compare these three. 14 0 1, so 14 will be the biggest one, 14.3350. Then 0 and 1 will be the biggest one, so 1.4335. At last 0.1435. Okay students, so in this way we need to arrange the numbers in ascending order and descending order.